This is for informational purposes only. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. The Art of the Herbal Salve, a beginner's guide to crafting healing balms at home. There is something deeply grounding about standing in your kitchen. The scent of simmering rosemary or lavender fill in the air while you stir a golden pot of infused oil. It feels like a quiet rebellion against the fast-paced synthetic world we often find ourselves in. If you've ever looked at the back of a store-bought healing cream and felt like you needed a chemistry degree just to pronounce the ingredients, you're not alone. Making your own herbal salves using simple time-tested ingredients like beeswax, olive oil, and medicinal herbs is more than just a DIY project. It's a way to reclaim your connection to the earth and your own well-being. Today we're going to dive deep into the why and how of herbal salves, ensuring you have everything you need to turn your countertop into a mini apothecary. Why go herbal? The magic of simple ingredients. When we talk about a salve, we're essentially talking about an ointment. Unlike lotions or creams, salves do not contain water. This is a huge advantage for the home crafter because water is what allows bacteria and mold to grow. By sticking to fats and waxes, your creations can last for a year or more without any weird chemical preservatives. The beauty of the herbal salve lies in its simplicity. We rely on three primary pillars. The carrier, extra virgin olive oil. It's likely already in your pantry. It's stable, nourishing to the skin, and excellent at extracting the medicinal properties from plants. The sealant, beeswax, this provides the structure. It transforms liquid oil into a portable solid and creates a protective barrier on your skin that locks in moisture while letting your pores breathe. The medicine, the herbs. This is where the magic happens. Whether it's the soothing touch of calendula or the ouch begone power of comfrey, the herbs dictate what your salve actually does. Step 1, choosing your herbal allies. Before you reach for the stovetop, you need to decide what kind of healing you're looking for. Herbs are specialized. Some are champions of skin repair, while others excel at calming inflammation. Calendula officinalis, often called the mother of the skin. These bright orange petals are incredibly gentle. They are the gold standard for cuts, scrapes, and diaper rash. Comfrey, Symphytum officinale, known historically as knitbone. Comfrey contains allantoin, which speeds up cell regeneration. It's amazing for bruises and minor sprains. Just don't put it on deep open wounds. Plantain, Plantago major. Don't confuse this with the banana relative. This is the common weed in your backyard. It's the ultimate drawing herb, perfect for bee stings, splinters, and itchy bug bites. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia. Beyond its heavenly scent, lavender is antiseptic and incredibly soothing for minor burns. Pro tip, always use dried herbs for your infusions. Fresh herbs contain water, and water in your oil is an invitation for mold to ruin your hard work. Step 2, the infusion, the heart of the salve. You can't just toss dried leaves into wax and call it a day. First, you must transfer the medicinal compounds from the plant material into your olive oil. There are two ways to do this. The solar method, the slow path. If you aren't in a rush, this is the most traditional way. Fill a clean glass jar about half full with dried herbs. Pour olive oil over them until the herbs are submerged by at least an inch. Secure the lid, place it in a sunny windowsill, and let it sit for 4 to 6 weeks. Give it a little shake every few days on the sun gently. coaxes the oils out of the plants, the Stovetop method, the quick path. If you need your salve today, use a double boiler. Place your herbs and oil in the top pot and keep the water at a very low simmer. You want the oil to stay warm, around 100 degrees to 110 degrees, but never hot enough to fry the herbs. Let it steep for 3 to 5 hours. The oil will turn a deep, beautiful green or gold depending on your herbs. Step 3, the assembly. Once your oil is strained through a cheesecloth, you're ready for the home stretch. The standard ratio for a perfect medium firm salve is 1 cup of infused oil to 1 ounce by weight of beeswax. Heat your infused oil in a clean pot over low heat. Add your beeswax. Pellets or grated blocks work best. Stir gently until the wax is completely melted. The spoon test. Dip a cold metal spoon into the mixture. Let it cool for a minute and check the consistency. If it's too soft, add a pinch more wax. If it's too hard, add a splash more oil. Pour into clean tins or glass jars, customizing your blends. Once you master the basic recipe, you can start playing alchemist. Shameem for sore muscles. Infuse your oil with arnica and St. John's wort. Then add a few drops of peppermint essential oil at the very end, just before pouring. For sleepy time, a lavender and chamomile infused oil blend works wonders when rubbed on the temples or wrists before bed. For hardworking hands, use a higher ratio of beeswax and add a bit of vitamin E oil to create a heavy-duty barrier balm for gardeners or mechanics. Storage and shelf life. Because we've kept water out of the equation, your salves are quite hardy. Store them in a cool, dark place. Most will stay potent and fresh for 12 to 18 months. If the oil starts to smell rancid, like old crayons, time to compost it and make a fresh batch. Creating your own herbal salves is a journey of discovery. It turns a walk in the woods into a scouting mission for plantain and teaches you to slow down and appreciate the slow extraction of nature's medicine. Your skin and your spirit will thank you for it.